One of the problems that trainers or people working with translation service companies often face in the preparation of training materials or when trying to explain procedures to translators or editors using memoQ is the fact that they might not be working with the same edition of memoQ. The view that you see here is the Project Manager edition of memoQ, and this looks quite a bit different than the view that would be seen by a typical translator or editor working with the Translator Pro version. But fortunately, there is a facility in memoQ for changing between those views if you have a Project Manager Edition license. This is not activated by default, and it requires adding a special configuration file to one of your Windows directories in order to enable the change between Translator Pro view and Project Manager Edition view. So let's see how that works. The configuration file to be created is shown here. It's a small XML file with this content. Let's have a look at a little better view that shows us the individual parts. As you can see, there's really not much to it. When this file is copied to the correct location, it will be possible to switch between the two views, Translator Pro view and Project Manager view, using a button on the ribbon in the memoQ dashboard. So let's copy the XML file. I'll simply right-click on it and choose the copy command from the context menu. And then you want to go to the C drive, to the ProgramData folder, which you don't see here. The ProgramData folder is a hidden folder. So in order to be able to add our configuration file in there, we need to go up to the View menu and select the checkbox to show hidden items. And now you see the ProgramData folder here. In fact, you'll notice that it's a little bit lighter than some of the other folders, which indicates that it is a folder which is normally hidden. So let's look inside of there. And here we see a memoQ folder. Open that up. And then right-click, select Paste to place the file that we copied into this folder. And there it is. Okay, now we'll return to memoQ, close the program, and when we reopen the program, we should see a button in the ribbon enabling us to change between the two dashboards for Translator Pro and Project Managers. Okay, let's restart memoQ now. And here we see the new controls. Okay, we are still in Project Manager view. So we'll change the dashboard, and here we have the Translator Pro view. And now when I click again on Change Dashboard, I switch back to the Project Manager view. This enables us to make training materials with screenshots that are correct for the respective environment. And again, to use this functionality, you have to have a license to the Project Manager edition of memoQ.